Hello and welcome back to this overview of the SAS MAS Scorer update version 2.2. We have the ability to upload more file formats and get an overview of all published models and decisions. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna start things off in Excel because previously we only supported scoring based on CSV tables and also CAS tables. Now, this library of available file formats has been greatly extended. Now I'm here showing you an XLSX or modern Excel file, which we will be using for scoring in the application. So let's close this out and go into our MAS Scorer. Please note that your version has to be updated to 2.2. Just download the new XLX file or get your admin to update it on the web server or the VA integration part. Let me search for our famous cars decision at this point, go to execute, and you can see it has been renamed to parallel brackets file upload instead of CSV upload. Let's go in here, and when you will look at my folder here, you will also see we now support JSON, also Parquet files, so there's a lot more to play around with than just CSV. We have Excel, so let's click open here. Of course, the previous auto mapping of columns is still available in here, and let's run execute. And just to show, this of course worked, nothing new here in this case. Now, the second big feature that has been added here is on the left-hand side called Publishing Overview. This runs a scan of your environment and retrieves to you all the available publishing destinations and lists them here up top. For some of them, if there is additional detail available, you can open them up and get that additional detail. For example, here on a Git-based one, all the additional information like the repository URL or the credential domain being used in the background, all of that information is available to you here. Next, at the top, you see how many publishing destinations we have, how many models, and how many decisions have been deployed. And then we can scroll through that full list to understand where everything has been published to. Of course, as always, we're trying to give you as much content in here as we possibly can. So you can open up deep links into SAS Model Manager or SAS Intelligent Decisioning respectively. If it is published to MAS, we also provide a shortcut to go to the scoring of that specific module. And then finally, if it is a decision, you can also view the flow diagram. So you can see this is an added page, but it ties back into all the other functionality of the SAS MAS Scorer application. I hope you enjoyed these featured updates and see you next time. Bye bye.